Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast. This is the Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast.
Hello everybody and welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Today's show proudly brought to you by TraderCobb.com, where you can get all of your crypto trading education, technical analysis and written structured checklist. Jump across to TraderCobb.com and join up to the free bi-weekly video newsletter to find out more. Guys, the market is a fun place to be. Trading is epic, but it can also play tricks on your mind. Now, for those of you who have been following me for a while, and for those of you that are new, A, hello. B, there's a few things more than just technical analysis that we need to understand. I've been trading for 12 years now, and I can tell you right now that never have I put more weight in the psychology. And it seems to be that the longer you've been trading for, the more you... how do I put this? The more you actually understand how important your own mindset is, and it's such an important part to your success, and that goes across any walk of life. It really doesn't matter whether or not you're, it doesn't matter whether or not you're in business, whether you're a sport, like an athlete, whether you're trading or what it might be. But obviously, I'm trading, so I'm going to discuss it around trading, your mindset, the psychology of trading, how things work and how your head can be ultimately your undoing or what creates success. Now, I can tell you from my point of view, for when I started trading, I came into trading like with an entrepreneurial background in mind, right? I'd run a little business where I was from. I was 22 when I started trading. And basically I was in a position where I was like, okay, well, I can do things. I can make things happen. I can make things work. I had some money. Not a huge amount of money. It was a huge amount of money to me then, but I had enough money that I could back myself. Now, of course, I was also working, and this is when I was in London. I moved to London. This is when I was working. I decided I was going to get into trading. I was going to work my day job, and I was going to trade on the side until trading actually was able to buy me out of my work. Now, that journey began, 12 years ago, like I said. And what I did was I went into it with that entrepreneurial spirit thinking, I'll just work it out. I spent so much time learning about technical analysis. I learned all about technical analysis. And that's why you'll find in my courses, it's not just about technical analysis. I'm not going to teach you about how an ascending triangle works. I'm not going to teach you about a double bottom because it's a waste of time. You don't need to know these things. It really is a complete and utter waste of your time. Same with sloping trend lines. You're not going to learn how to use them because you're not going to be using them if you trade my strategies, because I want you to make money, and that doesn't help. I focus on what works based on my experience, guys. I'm not saying that there's not other ways to do it, but I'm telling you right now, for years I traded with sloping trend lines, and the second I got rid of them, my results did change and they got better. So it's a psychology that really pushes you along, creates a good day or a bad day. Now, it's really, really interesting because from my point of view, when you're looking at the market, you're always right. Okay, you never take a trade that you think is going to lose. You always take trades that you believe will win. But why is it that when you come back, if you're doing the right thing, you come back and you look at your screenshots. So, when I say doing the right thing, I mean taking screenshots. And you look at those screenshots and you go, man, what was I thinking? That didn't fit my rules at all. Like, here's my written checklist. I am now going over that, and I can totally see that I was wrong. My mindset was wrong. It just wasn't the right thing to be doing. It's just that mood that you were in at that time. And I say to people, consistency in trading is absolutely a must, and that's not just consistency in your execution of the specific trade, i.e. following your rules. It's also the execution from a position of the same mindset position. So if you wake up one day, this is why if I'm feeling really crap, I don't trade. If I wake up one day and I'm feeling terrible, I'm not going to be sharp. I'll probably read the markets differently to if I was feeling really good. So that's where your psychology comes into it. It's really, really important for you to understand that the psychology of trading is going to wrap your day up or down. What I mean is you're either going to feel good or you're going to feel bad, but you've got to get yourself into a position where you're in the middle. Now, if you can't do that, i.e., you wake up, you're not feeling very good, you're a bit sad or you feel a bit sick or whatever it may be, then your best bet is just to go, okay, well, I don't feel good. If I don't feel good, I'm not going to trade, because I need to be in the position where I can put all feelings aside and focus and trade objectively. Now, if there's something that's getting in the way of you focusing and being objective, and that's one of the biggest elements to successful trading, wiped out. Now, if you're going to wipe out like a 33.333 recurring part of your trading, i.e. you've got trend, you've got strategy, and you've got yourself, so it's 1/3 of the puzzle to being a good trader. If you cannot get into that objective mindset, if you don't feel up to it, then you walk away, because you're decreasing you're increasing your risk of failure by 33% if your head is not in the game. So I say it to people that are in the courses. I say it again in my market view. I say it again on all the free content. I say it again and again and again. If you're not up for it, walk away, because this is your money you're working with. I don't say playing with, because it's not a game. You're trading with your money. It's up to you. You can't blame anyone else. So stop yourself from getting into that position of being mediocre, of being average, that if you don't feel good, if your head is not in the right spot, walk away, because your psychology, as I say, can make you or break you, guys. I cannot stress that enough. The same goes for if you look at the market and the market is down and your portfolio, let's say your portfolio is heavily down. Is that a good time if you're feeling really sick or nervous or freaked out? Is that a good time to be trading? No. That doesn't mean you can't trade the whole day. It means you need to have some sort of routine to get you into that mindset. That's why I've got routines for everything. That might just be going for a walk for half an hour, whatever it may be, going for a surf. I don't know, whatever it is, go play your guitar, go listen to music, go meditate. Whatever that might be to get you back to that point, you got to go do that. Because if you're not in the right headspace, you're not going to make the right decisions, and it's not going to help. It's just going to spiral and get worse. So guys, I hope you have a fantastic day. Don't forget that this show is brought to you by TraderCobb.com, where you can find all your trading education needs for crypto at the website. Free content galore. Go and check out the 3 strategies, the Bitcoin breakout, the crypto cradle, and the Fibonacci booster. Have a great day. I'll speak to you again very soon. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast. Check out TraderCobb.com, because experience matters.